As a journalist, our next presenter is accustomed to reporting on drama. Tonight, she'll be presenting an award for it. Please welcome Colette Fitzpatrick.
Thanks indeed, Caroline. Now spanning 2,000 years and bringing us tales of invasion, intrigue, corruption and crime, these dramas had us glued to our screens all year. The nominees for drama in association with the BAI are
Charlie.
Wanted a nation in which that long and troubled story could be brought to an end, and in which all the divergent strands could be pulled together in the achievement of greatness.
The Fall.
I love and I am loved, and nothing that you can do can take that away. Do you know that? Do you know that?
Game of Thrones.
We need you, boy.
Love-Hate. Vikings.
and the IFTA goes to. It's a good night for them. Love-Hate.
Thank you very much, everyone. Apart from the two fantastic producers by my side, I just want to thank the people who were here from the very beginning in 2008 when we met in the summer, which was Jane Gogan in RTE, Stuart Carolan, who was the visionary behind the programme, and David Caffrey, who directed nearly all the episodes. Thank you very much.
And I'd just like to say we've been on this incredible journey for the last 5 years with the most amazing crew, cast, everybody, RTE, James, Stuart's given us the most amazing material to work with. And it's been a very emotional journey as well. And I think we've all made a lot of friends. We've done the best work we can, and the team are absolutely amazing. I want to dedicate it to everybody who's ever worked on Love-Hate. And thank you.
Thank you.